Whenever we talk about daughter-in-law and mother-in-law relationship, everybody's ears get erect. We are wired in that way. Maybe it's the influence of social media or people around us. We talk about this a lot and we get attracted towards this topic. Being a relationship mediator myself, I've been getting quite a few queries apart from parenting regarding these issues. And I could figure out that even when spouse have got good relationship between them, in-laws are creating havoc in their lives. This is the primary concern right now in a family. I have come up with an amazing book today, that is When the Two Seas Meet, compiled by Muhammad. She's done a wonderful job in this regard, wherein she's explained the perspectives of a mother-in-law, how to invite a bride, how to talk to her, and what are her expectations. All these things are mentioned in this book. Amazing, amazing book, a must read for all the mothers-in-law, because you are able to know what are your do's and don'ts, what are your perspectives. At the same time, daughters-in-law also must read, because it is a bulb-on moment which gives you a lot of insights about your mother-in-law's perspective, about what she thinks, what her feelings are. You can put yourself into her shoes and then realize what your mother-in-law is all about. I will be making 10 to 12 video series out of this book. With the prior concern, with the prior permission of Muhammad, I have been doing this. So I want to help all those mothers-in-law and all those daughters-in-law to have better marital life. The title that she has used here, When the Two Seas Meet, is taken from the parable that Quran has spoken about. It says about two seas that has two different density, two different temperature, two different salinity, and they are in a flow. They have their own unique beauty. They flow together, but they do not mix. Scientists have already proved there is an invisible barrier between the two which do not allow them to mix together and mess up. That's a beautiful parable that she's used here for two different entities. Daughter-in-law and mother-in-law, of course, are two seas with two different beauties, two different ideologies, two different mindsets and thoughts, two different upbringings, two different environments, experiences. Of course, there is difference, but at the same time, there is a flow, harmonious flow. There are hundreds and thousands of families who are living with absolute peace and harmony despite these differences. So stay tuned. In my upcoming videos, I'm going to tell you about this particular book, what Muhammad has reflected. And I highly recommend you to grab a copy for yourself. I have given the link in the description box below. Inshallah, get a get a copy for yourself. This is going to be an eye opener in your lives. And also let me know what are your challenges in your marital life as a daughter-in-law or as a mother-in-law, so that I can help you out in a better way.